Right on, guys. All American Bill. We got it running, guys. He's badass. We love this car. Is that running? Just back it out and park it over there. Such a cool little car, guys. We're getting ready to plow everything. Okay guys, what do you think about this one here? 1960 Ford F100. We're thinking about getting a Chevy frame and making this a gasser, like an S10 drag truck. It's a nice truck, guys. It has like 104,000 original miles on it. We're getting everything inside. We got a big snowstorm coming. We got tunnel ram to put on this. This has a 70H grind cam, gear to gear, new rod bearings, new main bearings, new oil pump, double hump, 194 heads. We got tunnel ram going on it. We got MSD ignition going on it. We got a high torque starter going on it. My new fuel pump, new roller rockers. What else? We got a new 750 double pumper. Well, no, we got two 450 Hollies going on. We're putting the tunnel ram on that. That's a nice little motor there, guys. There's Ethan's. That's a 265, 1955 265 motor that Ethan rebuilt when he was like 9 years old. It runs great with a 1955 two-speed power glide hook to it, and it runs fine. We need to get it started up so you guys can hear it. It has a, what's this have in it, Tosh? This has a 278 grind cam in it? Yeah. And the only way we can make that work is to keep the small valves in it. It sounds pretty raspy. It sounds really good, guys. We'll get that one started for you. You guys check it out. And then we got this one right here. This is the 170 that we got going on for that ride right there. 61 Ford Falcon 4-door. We love this car. It's just something about it. Right on, guys. We got her in the garage. Natasha, you happy?
Oh, I'm so relieved now. We're ready for the storm. I am.
Yeah, we should have kept this out there. We've had some comments, and why isn't this car in the shop? And you guys are totally right. I mean, we shouldn't be leaving it outside.
No, the relief is good. Imagine is on Imagine. She's in the shop now. Life is good.
Look at that, you guys. We got the little red eyeballs looking at us. Those are both 61 Falcons, guys.
Yeah.
So cool. We got the keys to that one. This one is just totally mocked up. Yeah, I like it. They're just so cool little cars, guys.
They're so cool and such the same car, but so different at the same time.
Right.
It's absolutely different.
It is. Good job, Ethan, for recognizing that. Now, we're not Ford people, guys, but we end up with Fords. You know, they're worth more money, but it's not about the worth of the money. It's just about fixing them up and recycling and nostalgia of it all. Okay, guys, we'll get you this view over here. Stick with South Dakota Pride with the 605. Have fun, guys. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. Thanks for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you. Any advice, let us know, man. We love to hear. We're learning every day. Right on, guys. Keep on clicking. See you South Dakota Pride with 605. Let's go, Brandon. Thanks, guys. Bye.